Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Pix Mux Tuts. This is episode number 5 of the Easy OBS series. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to add a picture in OBS Studio. Before any delay, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is open OBS, of course. And once OBS Studio is open, you're going to want to click the plus button in the sources area. You're going to first select image, and you can name it whatever you would like and click OK. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an image that I used as a thumbnail in a previous video. So I'm going to go find it in my pictures folder and select it. I'm going to click OK. And now you can resize this image, or you can move it where you would like. If you right click on it, you can hit transform and fit to screen, and that'll perfectly align the image for you. To hide the picture, select the little eyeball in the sources area next to image. You can add multiple images if you'd like. So let me add a second one to kind of show you how you can lay them out. So I'm going to add another image. I'm going to just keep this as image 2. I'm going to select the same image and click OK. And now I can layer these images and lay them out in whatever orientation I would like. You can also use the same image in multiple locations, say a logo based on your video, and hide and show them as you please by clicking the little eyeballs in the sources area. That's all there is to it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, super easy to do. If you have any questions, please remember to put them in the comments below.